simple remedy that helps to shrink tummy fat. Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you a simple remedy that helps to shrink tummy fat, and this is a very simple one. You don't have to diet, no dieting for those of you that like food. I've been trying to shrink that tummy fat. This is very good. It's going to shrink that tummy fat within 1 week. Just be consistent with it. Just be consistent with it. So what do I have here? What I have here is my alligator pepper. Yes, alligator pepper. If you want that flat tummy, go get alligator pepper. Keep it in your house. It's not difficult to get. If you're in my country, Nigeria, alligator pepper is sold in those people that sell those clove. Yeah, they sell alligator pepper. You know, people that sell clove, ginger, garlic. Just tell them you want alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper. It's used for many things, and I'll be bringing videos of things you can do with your alligator pepper. So please stay tuned to this channel. Click on that subscribe button. So please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned because many goodies will be coming on this channel which you wouldn't want to miss. So please click on the subscribe button. So the second thing I have is my lemon. The second thing I have is my lemon. So what you need is 2 seeds of alligator pepper. Okay, this is what it looks like for those of you that don't know what it looks like. So it's a tiny seed, so tiny, very tiny. Okay, the seed of alligator pepper is very tiny. You just need 2 of it. You don't need more than that. Just 2 will do the work for you. You just need 2 alligator pepper and your lemon. Half a lemon, a medium size. This is a medium size, not big size. A medium size of lemon. Half of it will do the work for you. If you don't have lemon and you have lime, use lime. Okay, please, if you have ulcer, don't do this. This is not good for someone that has ulcer, and there are many remedies for ulcer. Please check my channel. Check my channel and choose one. There are many remedies and more will be coming. I'll show you many simple remedies you can use to treat ulcer at home. So please stay tuned and check the previous videos. I made 2 videos on that. Okay, I made 2 videos on how to treat ulcer at home. So if you have ulcer and you want a flat tummy, please go and treat that ulcer first. So don't use alligator pepper and lemon. It's not good for you. Okay, it's strong, it's not good for you. So you just need half a lemon. So just take half a lemon, squeeze it inside warm water, and chew your alligator pepper and drink your lemon. As simple as that. Squeeze half a lemon in warm water, chew 2 alligator pepper, okay, the seeds, 2 alligator pepper, and drink your warm water every morning for 7 days. Please come back and testify. It's a simple remedy and it's so effective. You're going to love it. It's a very simple one and super effective. So give it a try, and that is what I have for you today to get rid of that tummy fat. Be consistent. Don't do today and you not do tomorrow. You say it did not work. So be consistent. Consistency is very important. Be consistent with it and you will testify. And I hope you find this helpful. Please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.